How to use YouTube subscriber only comments feature. To use YouTube subscriber only comments feature, if you are on your mobile, head into web. If you're on desktop, simply head into web and head into studio.youtube.com. On your mobile, select continue to studio. On your desktop, you'll be directly on this studio page. Here, tap on the settings from the bottom left corner, and once you're on the settings, what you want to do is you want to click the community option right here. So once you head into community, you'll find various options. Under the defaults tab, find who can comment, and you want to select subscribers only. So you can see comments option here. I've enabled that. And now here, moderation, as you can see here. So you should find who can comment here option right under these here. You want to proceed to select it, and you want to set it to subscribers only under the defaults tab. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.